Next, let's look at the geoid correction. First, create a new SLAM project, select the path to save the project. Then you can choose to create a new process task, import the laser file. The platform can choose auto or according to the mode of acquisition to choose. Configure GNSS data, check the process GNSS here. Process mode can be selected according to RTK or PPK. For example, if RTK is used, external input is selected. If PPK is used, differential GNSS is selected. Here we demonstrate to use external input directly, and then import the RTK POS file. Click Next. Configure the coordinate system here, check the target coordinate system. Although RTK comes with its own coordinate system, we still need to choose to set the vertical coordinate system. The vertical coordinate system can be filtered by the filter. After checking it, if we need to correct the geoid, we need to add the geoid model. The geoid folder is where the software stores the geoid model. Then we copy the customized or third-party geoid model to this folder and select it. Click Next, or import a camera if you have one. Then click Next. Click Finish and then click Start. After the software has finished processing, you can look at the data. Then open the accuracy check and load the checkpoints to see if the data have been corrected to the geoid.